Meanwhile, space industry officials and experts from throughout Central Asia are meeting in the Turkish capital to discuss the challenges the sector faces and how to work together in future. Our correspondent Andrew Hopkins reports from the Space Technology Conference Eurasia in Ankara.
To talk about some of these issues now, I'm joined by Mehmet Nefes, who is the director of TÜBİTAK, which is the Science and Research Council for Turkey Space Branch, and also he's a board member of the Turkish Space Agency. Thank you very much for joining us. First of all, I understand because of the instability in the world at the moment, the amount of conflicts going on, this is presenting certain challenges for the space industry. Can you tell me a bit more about that?
Yeah, first of all, thank you very much. As TÜBİTAK Uzay, we are the main research institute in space technologies of Turkey, and our mission is to meet our national space-related needs. Both in national security, telecommunications, and also scientific missions, especially under the national space program by the Turkish Space Agency. Yes, we are currently, facing the difficulties in global high inflation rate for the supply chain problems, and also some resources, especially for the human resources in space sector. Human resources is very critical because highly qualified technical experts are needed to conduct any space program and satellite program. But I see in the next projects, we have the less time to deliver to our customer, because if we deliver in a long period, it's going to be old-fashioned at the end because of the technology change, and there are lots of new actors also in the space ecosystem.
I was going to ask you about that because the competition now is one of the most important factors. You say there are other national space programs coming online. Turkey has only had one for the last sort of 6 years, had a space agency for 6 years. So how much pressure is there connected to that?
Yeah, we are in Turkish Space Agency. As you know, we are a new agency. We are in the early stages, but we are. Steps are going very well. Space is now more democratized. It's easy to access compared to yesterday, due to the decreasing the launch costs. And now every nation has desire to reach the space, in deep space, in the low orbit or geostationary orbit, in different areas.
Okay, Mehmet Nefes, thank you very much for joining us on TRT World. That's Mehmet Nefes from TÜBİTAK, the Science and Research Council of Turkey, in charge of the space branch here